Okay, I'm not kidding. What's up? Today I'm dyeing my hair. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna let it focus. It's this box here. Oh my gosh, it focused. It never does that. It focused. All right. I've dyed my hair with this before. I dyed it a pink and I also filmed it. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Today I'm dyeing it blue. And as you can tell, I already did a test strand. And I want my hair to be a little more silver than this like warm-ish blonde color. So I figured if I dyed it blue, it would turn silver. And it's kind of more blue. It'll work. So that's what we're doing today. I've dyed my hair a handful of times before, so I know what I'm doing. Do I dye my bangs? Look at how stupid they look. The question is, do I dye my bangs? Do I just go for it? Last time I dyed my hair pink, I loved it. Oh my god. I love dyeing my hair different colors. I was stalking Kim Kardashian's Instagram. I love her. I love the Kardashians. Isn't that so sad? Like, I feel like every basic bitch loves the Kardashians. And unfortunately, I'm one of those people. I'm missing a finger. All right, this applicator is pointless. Thanks for taking some of my product. What the frick? I feel like I'm meant for colored hair, even though my mom says I can't dye my hair. What the fuck, mom? It's fine, I just kind of dropped it in the sink. Is that? It's not, what? Should I? No, because I already, no. Dyeing my hair always stresses me out because I'm like, what if I don't get all the pieces? And it's like kind of nerve-wracking. Now that is what I would call doesn't look bad. Jealous? What does that even mean? Jealous. Stupid bitch. You know what's my favorite thing? When Chloe says Gorgina. What the fuck does that mean? My nail! It's blue, take my word for it. Okay. So now I guess wait, who is that? I look like that one lady, Yolanda? Gigi Hadid's mom. What's up? Haha. So, I am back again. Didn't upload a video last week because, it's going through some stuff. As you guys saw, I tried to dye my hair blue. It's literally green. I didn't show the after because I was kind of upset. It's been like a week, I think. Ow, this is literally not coming out. Okay. But it's like green and honestly, we're not a big fan of it. It's like really hard to tell in I haven't. I look crazy. I decided because I have red hair dye and what's the opposite of green? Red. This is gonna look suspicious because it literally is from Goodwill and my ear is like really ringing. Yo, my ear. When you suddenly can't hear, what's going on? I think my hearing's coming back. Okay, now it's just my tinnitus. All right, awesome. I dyed it like a week ago, I think, and I've gotten a lot of comments on it. Mostly, your hair is green. That is the one comment I've only gotten on it, actually. No one else has complimented it, only have told me that it's green. I was at Goodwill because my friend Janessa works there, and she hadn't seen my hair yet, and she says, oh my gosh, turn around. So I turn around and she looks straight at me and says, you're Shrek. What starts playing?
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the—
And I'm not kidding, this is a true story. Like, that actually happened, kind of upsetting. If you can't tell, like right here, it looks kind of blue, but it's just green. So I'm gonna dye my hair red now. So I bought this at Goodwill a while back. This looks just like the hair dye I used when I dyed my— That is so pink. Do you guys see that? It looks like someone hit me in the head. I can't go back now. I can't believe I did this. Is this a good prank? It says I just ate it, and it looks like I fell. All right, so it looks like I literally broke my neck and I'm bleeding pretty much. So what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Who told me to do this? Who said I could do this? It's so red. It looks like blood. Hello? Who allowed me to do this? I can't believe this. I literally just got my hair dyed.
You dyed your hair again.
Look at the color. It's bright red. It looks like blood. It's all over. My hair looks insane. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I blow dry it, and not blow dry it, when I wash it. I look like the Catch Me Outside girl, bad baby. I don't know how to consider it a bad baby, I don't know. Okay, y'all see this? Look how red my hair is. It's red. Like, that's all I can say. It's literally, it's so red. I got a ton of compliments on it. This girl in my bio class said it suits me. I'm not like mad at it. It looks cool. I'm hoping when it fades, it'll like neutralize the green and then it'll just be like maybe a pretty pink color or something. I don't know. I already stained my white pillow and my bed. It's really red though. Like, let's get a close up. Thanks for watching this like so random video. I don't even know what this really was. Just me having a quarter life crisis, I guess. That's literally it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a like. Make sure to pray for me and my hair because it's messed up. I'm just kidding. I kind of like it. Anyway, subscribe down below for more content. I hope to be coming out with more stuff. I kind of took like a week break. As I said before, something had happened, so I was like kind of sad. But now I'm over it. New content soon. Okay, that's so weird. I don't know what to do anymore. Ah, what did I do? Okay. That was so weird. All right, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'm gonna go. Goodbye. Bye.
You don't really mean it, do you?